The number of people suffering from Alzheimer's around the world is growing at a staggering rate, and so too is the cost of treating them. That is according to a report released today on World Alzheimer's Day. On Vancouver Island, we have a population that is older than the rest of the province, even the rest of the country. And with the number of dementia cases expected to almost double every 20 years, advocates say it is time to make a plan now to deal with an ever-growing problem. A News reporter Louise Hartland has the story, new at 6.
Every day, Jim Mann watches Alzheimer's chip away at his brain. Jim was diagnosed with an early stage of the disease.
Not being able to get organized, I would just shuffle paper and forget who I was calling.
He's now losing more of his focus when he's talking to people. He will lose his train of thought.
A new report calls Alzheimer's and other diseases that destroy memory an international health crisis. It predicts the number of people in the world with dementia will double by 2030, an estimated 66 million new cases. The report puts the annual global cost of dealing with dementia at a staggering $604 billion US. That's equivalent to double the annual revenue of oil giant ExxonMobil.
And the major reason for the high cost is the cost for long-term care, such as nursing home care, residential care.
Canadian doctors agree.
The cost on healthcare and healthcare system will be tremendous in Canada, in the US, in Europe, in Japan, everywhere in the world. So we have to take action.
The action they're asking for is more research to accurately spot dementia early and develop treatments to stop the brain decay. The report calls on countries to create national plans with more support for caregivers and scientific research. In an interview with CTV News Channel, the Alzheimer's Society says no one seems to be listening.
And we are really surprised that there hasn't been more of a response at the national level.
More support is coming to patients in BC, though. The Alzheimer's Society of BC and the Ministry of Health Services announced a $1 million funding boost today. The money will go to dementia support programs for patients and their families. A welcome service for people like Jim.
I watched my mother go through dementia, and so I know what's coming.
And those who don't. In Victoria, Louise Hartland, A News.